So the first step in building the Vogue Photo Booth is assembling the frame, and that consists of matching all the symbols. The next step in assembling the Vogue Photo Booth is laying out the tension fabric. You're going to want to lay the tension fabric out and place the frame on top. You also want to be mindful of the corners when you place the frame inside the tension fabric. So at this point, this is what your Vogue Photo Booth should start looking like. The third step is going to be cable management. You're going to take the tail ends of each power cord and slide them through the rear slot. Make sure both left and right power cords exit through the rear. The next step is to raise the tension fabric. It's going to be very helpful if you have someone to help you and if you have step ladders. Once you've got the walls up, you're going to want to start zippering up the inside wall. Once the walls are up, you're going to want to zip on the roof. For the best fit, make sure the seams are all lined up with the frame underneath. The next step will be installing the LED lights. Be sure to pull the outlets through the tension fabric so you can make the connections. And be sure those arrows line up. For brevity, I've already installed the power cords to the LED controller. Everything is color coordinated and easily identifiable. After you've made all your connections, you definitely want to make sure that the lights are all working. And once you've done that, I highly recommend that you use a little bit of electrical tape and secure those connections so that nothing comes undone. And the last thing to do is take a picture and post.